know this truck, I ain't no stranger. I know that truck, that's a Ford fucking Ranger.
Guys, so I am headed to watch my buddy Bobby Komarski run some laps in his asphalt sprint car over at Anderson Motor Speedway. I had to stop by Spinks to obviously get some fuel because I am on 2 miles in this new Loaner Danger Ranger until the F-150 gets its motor put back in. But this should be pretty fun. I've never seen an asphalt sprint car run, so I'm gonna do that. But first, I'm obviously gonna get this fuel, and I'm gonna get some of the best chicken on this side of the Mississippi at Spinks. Trust me, Spinks is delicious. This gas station has the best chicken you'll ever get. When I get back to the house later, I'm going to start Psycho Nitro prep because we are halfway to the goal, so I'm starting it. I hope you guys buy in, check it out. It's gonna be fun. Thank you for the support, and I don't take it for granted at all. I'm just enjoying this whole process. I'm enjoying everything. I'm just gonna have fun. I know I have a lot of speed, obviously not Ryan Mayfield speed, but I definitely have some
and more
speed.
power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
Probably going to drive over out of my head for most of the time at Psycho, but it's going to be fun and we're going to send it. But first, we're about to send these sprint cars. So, all right, so while I'm at it, I don't know which color this is, but it looks like Leadfoot Gray, I think. But this thing is sweet. There's a lot of bugs on it. So whoever buys this thing is going to definitely get a used new F-150, but this thing is pretty dope. If I didn't need a full-size truck, I'd definitely own it. It does pretty much everything I need it to do. It is a sweet truck. It's a sweet rig. It's got a little bit of space, not a crazy ton, but it is a pretty dope truck. I like it a lot. But yeah. All right. So here's the kit. This is what you need right here. The best chicken in the land, okay? There's nothing like it. The best wedges, it's great, right? Now, to finish that, you need NOS. Not just any NOS, grape NOS. Like
Have grape drink. It's not the same grape formula that you get.
Grape or orange.
Ain't no vitamins in that shit.
But yeah, we back on the road.
You might have one of your black friends over, Todd. Todd, would you care for a glass of grape juice? What?